Welcome to Shaxpir, software for storytellers. The first word processor that understands the writing process from brainstorming and outlining to prosecraft and revision. In this walkthrough video, I'll show you how to get started. Once you've logged in, you'll find your workspace in a panel on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Shaxpir keeps your stories and ideas. Right now, there are none. Let's start by creating a character idea. Click on the red Create Content button and choose New Character from the menu. Give the character a name by clicking on the heading and then tab into the document body to start writing a description. Shaxpir always displays the current word count on the upper right, so you can set writing goals and track your progress. You can add photos or drawings of this character by clicking the Add Picture button and choosing an image file from your computer. You can add as many images as you like, using drag and drop to rearrange them. You can add detailed captions or change the cropping by clicking on the thumbnails and using the picture overlay. Next, create a story by clicking the Create Content button again and choosing New Story. Here, you can give your story a title and subtitle, as well as various other details. For now, we'll give the story a title and leave the other fields blank. We can return to the workspace anytime by clicking on the Home button, or go back into the story by clicking its title in the Stories menu. Within the context of this story, let's start brainstorming. We can add scenes, characters, places, concepts, themes, and things. These are exactly like ideas in the workspace, but when they've been attached to a story, we call them notes. In fact, we can even go back to the workspace to find ideas and click the Add to Story button to bring those ideas into the world of our story as notes. Notes can be linked to one another by clicking the Add Connections button to create labeled cross-references. This powerful feature can be used for a wide variety of applications, like cataloging character relationships or thematic symbolism. The Manuscript menu contains all the chapters in our story. Create new chapters by clicking the Create Content button, then give your chapter a title and write some text. To add a margin comment, first select some text, then click on the Comment button in the toolbar. You can edit your margin comments anytime. Chapters can be rearranged using drag and drop. You can even arrange chapters hierarchically to create parts, sections, and subsections. This can be especially helpful when writing long-form projects like novels and memoirs. The Add Connections button comes in handy here too, giving you the ability to connect each chapter in your manuscript with the specific notes you need for that chapter's events. Since Shaxpir is a desktop application, it continuously saves all your work on your local hard drive, so you don't have to be connected to the internet while you write. But whenever you are online, Shaxpir continuously synchronizes your changes to our secure servers in the cloud, so you always have a backup. Shaxpir is currently available to a limited group of private beta testers. If you'd like to be a part of that group, sign up today at www.shaxpir.com.